Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to track your Facebook ad performance. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in monitoring, analyzing, and optimizing your Facebook ad campaigns to ensure they are achieving your marketing goals and delivering the desired results. Step 1. Set clear goals and objectives for your ad campaigns. Before you start tracking your ad performance, it's crucial to establish clear goals and objectives for your Facebook ad campaigns. What do you want to achieve with your ads? Are you aiming to increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive website traffic, or boost sales? Clearly defined goals will provide a framework for evaluating your ad performance and making data-driven decisions. Step 2. Understand the key metrics to track. Facebook provides a comprehensive set of metrics to help you track the performance of your ad campaigns. Some of the key metrics to focus on include impressions, the number of times your ad has been displayed on user screens; reach, the number of unique users who have seen your ad at least once; clicks, the number of times users have clicked on your ad; cost per click, CPC, the average amount you pay for each click on your ad; conversion rate, the percentage of users who take a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter, after clicking on your ad; cost per acquisition, CPA, the average amount you pay for each desired action, such as a sale or lead generation. Step 3. Utilize Facebook's Ads Manager and Insights tools. Facebook's Ads Manager provides a centralized platform for managing your ad campaigns and tracking their performance. Use Ads Manager to view detailed metrics, generate reports, and analyze trends for each of your ad campaigns. Facebook Insights offers additional data and insights into your target audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior. Step 4. Track performance over time and identify trends. Monitor your ad performance regularly, ideally on a daily or weekly basis, to identify trends and patterns. Track metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition over time to understand how your campaigns are performing and make adjustments as needed. Step 5. Segment your data to gain deeper insights. Segmentation allows you to analyze your ad performance based on specific criteria, such as demographics, interests, or ad placements. This provides deeper insights into which segments of your target audience are responding well to your ads and which ones may need optimization. Step 6. Compare your ad performance against benchmarks. Benchmark your ad performance against industry averages or your own past campaigns to assess your effectiveness. This helps you identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals for your ad campaigns. Step 7. Use A/B testing to optimize ad variations. A/B testing allows you to compare different versions of your ads, such as headlines, body copy, images, or CTAs, to determine which one performs better. This data-driven approach helps you identify the most effective ad variations and optimize your campaigns for improved results. Step 8. Analyze conversion paths to identify bottlenecks. Track the conversion paths your users take to reach desired actions, such as making a purchase. Identify any bottlenecks or friction points in the conversion process and make adjustments to improve the user experience and increase conversions. Step 9. Use attribution modeling to understand the impact of different touchpoints. Attribution modeling helps you understand how different touchpoints, such as organic search, social media, or email marketing, contribute to conversions. This insights can help you optimize your marketing efforts across different channels. Step 10. Continuously refine and optimize your ad campaigns. Based on your analysis and insights, make ongoing adjustments to your ad campaigns to optimize performance. This may involve refining targeting, adjusting bids, improving ad creatives, or experimenting with different ad formats. Tracking your Facebook ad performance is essential for ensuring that your campaigns are achieving your marketing goals and delivering a return on investment. By understanding key metrics, utilizing Facebook's tools, analyzing data insights, and making data-driven decisions, you can continuously optimize your ad campaigns and maximize their effectiveness. Remember, Facebook ad tracking is an ongoing process that requires consistent monitoring, analysis, and optimization to achieve optimal results. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.